Welcome back to Lemon Lane Cottage. As you can see, we are actually inside the cottage today because it is getting a little bit too warm to spend much of the day outside. We'll still go out there and I will still show you what I am harvesting, what I am planting. In fact, I've even found an area for a brand new garden bed and I am super excited. It is just in time for fall planting. I'm not there yet, but it will be a little time in the preparation. I have to convince someone that I need another garden space, and then he needs to do some building to make it a reality. And then of course I've got to amend the soil in it and figure out what I'm going to plant in it and all of that. But you know, no rest for the weary. Is that the saying? Anyways, today I have a bunch of stuff to share with you. We are going to take a little bit of shift in the channel because there's more to life than just being in the garden, although that is my joy, and I will continue to share garden tours with you. But a lot of you have asked to come inside and see what I do with the stuff that I grow, with all the herbs and the vegetables and the fruit and just little other things that make us better equipped keepers of our home, which I always want to be the focus of my channel. So that being said, today I thought I would show you really quickly how I put together herbal teas to help me to calm down, to help with headaches, all of those things that you might use an herbal tea for. Today we're starting out with a very relaxing tea that is perfect for winding down with in the afternoon. You know, when that hour before you start the rush of dinner comes and you just want to sit and relax and catch your breath. I have that moment usually like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm pretty much done everything that's going to get done for that day. My list might not be done, but my energy is at that place where I am done. So this is a perfect tea for such a time as that. So I have some dried lemon balm, and I actually, and let's see if I can focus on that, I pre-dry my herbs and keep them separately, and then just make up enough for whatever kind of tea that I am going to have. I may make up a week's supply, but I don't normally keep a whole lot of teas pre-made because I like to keep the herbs as fresh as possible, and to do that you really want to keep them as intact as possible. Does that make sense? Once you start crushing an herb, it's going to start losing its aroma and its health benefits. So you'll see that when I put this lemon balm in, whoops, it is in a pretty large state, because once I crumble this for the tea, like I said, it's gonna lose its efficacy. And I am gonna just do equal parts chamomile and lemon balm, and this is done more for taste. They're both calming herbs, so I know that they're going to do that job, but some people love the flavor of chamomile and some love lemon balm. I happen to love both, so I'm going to do equal parts. So in this case, I'm going to gently remove the leaves from the woody stems, place them into the jar, and give them a gentle crushing. And there you have it. I will gently mix that together. And then I will just take a pinch or two, put it in my teapot, and this one comes with this insert. And if you can see the little slits there, that's where the hot water is going to come out after it infuses. And the thing with herbal teas is they do take a while to infuse. I will go anywhere from 5, 10, 15 minutes to really let the properties infuse into that water and make the perfect cup of tea. And then just like any tea, if you need honey, if you need a little bit of sugar, whatever it is that's going to make it taste refreshing to you, because this is a tea we are drinking to calm us down, to help us to relax, to enjoy. This is not a medicinal tea per se, although it does have some wonderful medicinal value to it. So that is how I prepare my herbal teas, and I will be sharing more of them that are more medicinal and others that I enjoy as well. I have some wonderful lavender and some calendula and mints that I have dried that I will be sharing with you as well. So keep watching. I have more things that have happened at the cottage, some peeks outside. I'm actually headed into the kitchen. I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you for coming back. I'm sorry I was gone so long. Sometimes life gets really busy. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and as always, thanks for stopping by. hope you enjoyed these 2 ways to use your garden harvest. I'll see you in the next video.